Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. It's Here to Stay by Ms.E. So glad you can join me on today. Listen, today is a special day. We are celebrating 1,000 subscribers on this channel. Woohoo! I'm so excited. I want you to know how much I appreciate you for being a part of this family. I'm having fun. I'm doing what I love to do. You guys are learning and you guys are commenting. You are asking questions. I love it. Listen, you guys, I'm so serious about this celebration that I even bought cake. Listen, my wish for you this year is that this year will be the best year you have ever had. That if you just keep pushing, you will accomplish your goals in the right time. So listen, I have another surprise for you, and that is this wig right here. A full lace pixie cut wig. This is not the finished product. This is just the beginning. Listen, you got to stay tuned to see how I'm going to curl it. I don't even know how I'm going to curl it. I'm so excited, but we're just going to let the curling irons and these fingers do the walking through this hair, and we'll come up with something, and I promise you it's going to be amazing. Subscribe to this channel, hit your notification bell so you can stay tuned and be notified whenever I have another video. So I already shampooed the hair with the Ms.E shampoo in the 3-minute moist conditioner, and I followed it along with this Lotta Body styling foam wrap, and I wrapped the hair flat in the back, and I kind of just tousled the curls in the top, and just look at that hairline. Look at that, looks really natural. That's one thing I like about lace wigs, is that you can see a scalp-like appearance no matter where you part it. And if you've watched any of my other videos on how to make lace wigs, I have shown you how to make a lace closure. I've shown you how to make lace frontal wigs. And finally, the full lace wig that you see right here. Now look at that. Look at that. Just as natural as if this is your own hair, as the hair is growing out of your scalp. Now I know nobody's not going to be parting it in the back like that, but if it's tapered really short, you don't see tracks, you just see what appears to be scalp, and I love it. So listen, I'm going to leave the links in the description box below so you can check out my other lace videos as well. And I am using my smallest curling iron, and I'm just beginning to curl the sides and just the top part, just the sides of the top part. And then I actually think I'm going to just use the small curling iron throughout this hair curling process. As you can see, it's already looking amazing. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. And as always, I can't wait to see you in the next one.